Tip and Tell. Red Tip and Tell is the 50-year classic, while Clear Tip and Tell is the lighter upgrade, featuring a snap-off, moisture-proof design. Installation. Peel off the adhesive backing and apply it to the cargo. Then press firmly around the edges. Pull out the pin with needle nose pliers to activate Red Tip and Tell. For Clear Tip and Tell, gently pull the pin until it clicks, then snap off the clear tab. Apply the companion label beside the Tip and Tell to alert handlers and ensure careful transit. Next, apply another Tip and Tell to the adjacent side to ensure the integrity of complete tilt detection. Lastly, stick the alert sticker on the bill of lading. See it in action. When the monitored device is tilted, the arrow on top turns blue, indicating a tilt event. From a tilt angle on another plane, the indicator responds with equal precision. Both provides irreversible proof.